Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable notifications on Snapchat using your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your settings. And then here, there are two ways to do this. So let me show you the first one. So you just want to scroll down until you see your Snapchat here. And just click that and you can see the notification section or option. So just go ahead and click that and toggle that switch on, okay, to allow notifications. And here you can also choose any banner style or alerts that you want. So if, for example, if you want your notification to be seen on your lock screen, check on lock screen and notification center and banners. So the second option or way that you can do if you don't have this notification section on your Snapchat, so you just want to go to notifications on your settings and then again search for Snapchat, and you can see there is this switch that you can toggle on or switch off if you don't want the notifications. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.